Hi guys, welcome to Archer Crypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll cover what you should know about Dogecoin, what is the settlement risk of Solend, Stablecoin Tron USDD depeg, and Noah Davis joining a Yuga Lab. Also, latest news in the market movement. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Many thanks to you all. The largest loan agreement of Solana public chain Solend set up a controversial vote hoping to mark up the settlement level. The reason is to prevent the whale loan position get liquidized. Also, they want to have emergency assets to account to settle by OTC. When DeFi meets an extreme market, it wouldn't always be ideal. Solend said there is a whale user having a largest position. If the Solana token price drops extremely, the settlement will affect the operation. The whale users deposited 5.7 million Solana, valued around 170 million US dollars. The total loan amount landed around 108 million USDC and USDT. For a single whale user, it took over 25% of the total value locked. The major liquidity pool has 95% of Solana savings, which are 88% of USDC is loaned by these users. And the estimated settlement price is landed at 22.30. 25% of the total value locked. The major liquidity pool has 95% of Solana savings, which are 88% of USDC is loaned by these users. And the estimated settlement price is landed at 22.30. So what will cause a problem exactly? Solend says if Solana dropped to 22.30, the whale account will settle around 20% loans, which is worth around 21 million US dollars. But due to normally sellers will sell their current position in decentralized exchange, it will be really hard for the market to digest this amount. In the worst case scenario, Solend won't be able to pay back this bad debt. Also, it will highly impact the Solana network, because while the seller is highly active, it will keep on sending out settlement functions through the network, which will cause the Solana network to crash. While the users are panicking, they might pull out the liquidity. Then the usage of the USDC and USDT will reach 100% in the liquidity pool. This will cause the positions using USDC and USDT as collateral not being able to be covered. Seems like during this bear market, a lot of liquidity issues will keep coming out, because people will be forced to unwind a lot of current positions, but the whole blockchain system might not be stable enough yet to handle all the situations. Tron's newly launched USDD stablecoins has slipped below a dollar peg for over a week since June 13th. USDD hit the all-time low at 0.9255 on June 19th, and now is currently recovering at the level around 0.96. So as we can see, this stablecoin is truly not stable. But the Tron DAO Reserve claimed that USDD is not depegged on Twitter. They mentioned that USDD is a decentralized stablecoin that depends on the on-chain mechanism and collateral assets. It goes on to argue that USDD differs from centralized stablecoins such as USDC in not being attached to the dollar, in a very close spread by banking mint and redemption. Well, I thought Tron mentioned that USDD has over 300% collaterals to keep it pegged. According to Tron founder Justin Sun, USDD initially depegged as a result of short sellers targeting the network native token TRX on crypto exchange Binance. Despite Sun pledging $2 billion from the Tron DAO Reserve to fight the short sellers, USDD has remained stubbornly below a dollar. I personally think all these arguments are pointless. Let me rephrase that. I mean excuses. If there are enough collaterals to back it up, it shouldn't let this kind of situation happen. I really hope people can start defining what is stable coin. The person in charge of Christie's NFT, Noah Davis, announced he will join Yuga Labs and also become the brand leader of the blue chip NFT project CryptoPunks. A few days before the news is released, the trading volume and price of CryptoPunks both went up. The co-founder of Yuga Labs, Garga, also announced that CryptoPunks will have a new progress in the future couple weeks. Noah was in charge of the auction of Beeple every day the first 5,000 days. This artwork is sold as a final price of $690,000 US dollars, which highly impressed the NFT and the art community. Garga says that when they bought out Punks from the Larva Labs, there are two to-do lists to keep in mind, which are transferring the business authority of Punks to holders such as BAYC, The others is listening to a community to wellly managed punks. I'm really looking forward for the leadership of Noah. Bringing traditional art to Web3 is an incredible progress. Before we get into details of Dogecoin, let's check out the latest news about it first. As we all know, Elon Musk is the biggest supporter of Dogecoin. Even though the whole crypto market cap fell to $830 billion, Elon Musk clearly stated that on Twitter that he will keep on supporting Dogecoin, which is enough to make Dogecoin spike up 8%. But of course, it's just pennies and dimes based on the 91% drop from the highest 0.72 cents last May. Musk has been the Dogecoin's most high-profile cheerleader since April 2019. After he tweeted that Dogecoin might be his favorite cryptocurrency, after that, every spike of Dogecoin from year 2020 to 2021 is based on the tweet of Elon Musk about the meme coin. According to this chart of Dogecoin for June 19th, we can see the Dogecoin spiked right up after Musk tweeted. Recently, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban has advocated for the usage of Dogecoin for payment, which will make this joke coin a real utility instead of a joke. So we can see the usage of the token will lead the future pricing expectation for the most projects, no matter if people just want to put it in real use or hype. Now let's get into the details of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created by engineer Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in late 2013. Like many other coins, Dogecoin runs their own dedicated blockchain. Dogecoin's digital ledger is constantly being updated with all new transactions, and the network uses cryptography to keep all the transactions secured. The Dogecoin blockchain uses a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism. Dogecoin may be used for payment and purchases, but it's not a very effective store of value. In April 2021, Dogecoin became one of the top 10 biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. Even though each token is worth pennies, there are a lot in the world. In total value, it has topped 50 billion, which is really impressive. So you might be thinking, is Dogecoin valuable? Is it a good investment? Dogecoin is like any other token, it's all based on supply and demand. The express goal is a spending cryptocurrency. That is why when Elon Musk released news about new products purchased by Dogecoin, there will be a spike up in the pricing because the demand got pulled up. In an easier way of explaining this, tracking the method of usage of Dogecoin is a key to the price change. And currently, Elon Musk is the biggest supporter, maybe Mark Cuban in the future. If Tesla and SpaceX go well, it will be a huge benefit. Now let's check out the market movement. This is a daily candlestick chart of Bitcoin. As we can see, it's still consolidating, but it closed as a doji candlestick yesterday. This is a sign of a reversal trend. If the candlestick formed today is red and engulfed the green candlestick from the day before, the evening star pattern will successfully be created, and will have a very high probability of the market dropping again. And this is the hourly candlestick chart of Bitcoin. As I talked about in the episode yesterday, it's still recovering following the trend line. But we can see the pressure zone on top is really hard to pass, and we can see the interval is narrowing. The next drop might happen pretty soon. We can set our short position around the white pressure zone from 20,900 to 20,950, then take profit when it reaches the short-term low 17,593. Overall, this downturn in cryptocurrency is really creating a lot of pressure for a lot of tokens, and lots of companies are having liquidity issues while the market drops continuously. We are currently in the bear market, so this kind of situation will keep happening. So always value your investment with liquidity as priority, and get ready for another drop coming soon. Thank you for watching Watch Out Crypto. If you like my channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.